Today we are going to prepare a sweet and zesty fresh salad with ramen noodles as the main ingredient. This great tasting salad is perfect as a side dish for weeknight dinner or as a healthy main dish for lunch. Let's begin by melting 2 tablespoons butter over low heat. Crush 1 pack ramen noodles while the noodles is still inside the package. Open the noodle package and discard the seasoning packet inside. Add the crushed ramen noodles to the melted butter and toss until the noodles start to turn light golden brown. Take it out of the frying pan to prevent further browning and transfer to a separate plate. As an option, you can toss the toasted ramen noodles in 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil to enhance its flavor. Set the noodles aside and let cool. Using the same frying pan, add 1/2 cup or more of sliced almonds and roast in low heat until almonds are just about slightly roasted. Take the almonds out of the pan and 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. You can opt to dry roast the almonds and sesame seeds or roast them in additional 1 tablespoon butter. We are now ready to prepare the Oriental-style vinaigrette dressing. In a mason jar or similar container, combine 1/2 cup granulated white or brown sugar, 1/4 cup light flavored olive oil, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar or plain white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce. Shake the jar or stir the mixture with a fork until the sugar is completely dissolved. Prepare about 4 to 5 cups of coarsely chopped iceberg lettuce. You can also use romaine or a combination of both. Another option will be napa or Chinese cabbage. Have 1 or 2 medium-sized, fresh, sweet red pepper sliced thinly and added to the chopped lettuce. If you are ready to serve the salad immediately, proceed to add half of the toasted ramen noodles, half of the toasted almonds, and half of the toasted sesame seeds to the chopped lettuce, and toss gently to combine. Pour just enough vinaigrette dressing to coat the salad, about 1/4 cup. You can add protein to the salad, making it a complete dish. I have added thin slices of tasty roasted chicken breast deli meat. Sprinkle the rest of the toasted ramen noodles, almonds, and sesame seeds on top of the salad to garnish. It is best to add the toasted ramen noodles, almonds, and sesame seeds as well as the salad dressing right before serving. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time here on Jeyn's Corner.